Okay, what we doing, kids?
Riding a train.
Now, what did I tell you about? Okay, what are we doing here?
We're riding on a train to Denver.
Kate, how is it so far?
It's good. We went.
Can't hear you.
See?
Let me see here. Okay, start telling us about features of this place.
This place. Let's start out with the reclining seat. Scoots up and forward so this thing you can like lay back and relax, you know. And then this folds down to a bed, both seats. Then if you can see up here, this bed folds down into a little miniature bed, and that's why. Okay, this tiny closet. This must be the tiniest thing, but then we've got your own AC up here, lights, and lots of these little special things over here that hold stuff. Go over here. And these seats are like the most comfortable seats.
Kate, where'd we go this morning? What did we have this morning?
We went down to breakfast and we slept and
What did we have for breakfast?
we had toast,
French toast.
French toast and orange juice.
We went and checked out the lounge car.
Yep.
Yeah.
What else did we check out?
We checked out
The regular coach.
Yeah, the regular coach.
Pretty spacious seats, huh?
Yeah, those things.
But we're glad we have our own little compartment.
Yeah. Baby, these things are nice. Then we got these things. So the conductor can call you in. Lights.
Okay, now we're going to check out the tray.
Alright.
Spacious.
It's quite nice.
It's kind of neat when we're having breakfast and we're just looking out at the scenery and stuff.
They're huge windows that you see out.
Let's just check out the scenery. We're here outside of Wellington on our way to Green River. And last night when we were laying in bed, what did we see?
Oh,
stars.
Oh yeah, we saw tons of stars.
And other trains were passing us.
And we went up Spanish Fork Canyon. It was amazing how fast we were going.
Yeah. Isn't it? And it's quiet in here.
Yeah, silent almost.
It's a pretty cushy ride, really. You kind of sway from side to side and kind of act like you're drunk a little bit.
Yeah, but it's okay.
Anyway, it's a pretty fun trip, huh?
Yes, it is.
You'll find that car one right in front of the 510 coach and right behind the full-service dining car.
That's JC,
we offer a variety of hot and cold beverages,
attendant.
hot and cold sandwiches, variety of snacks. We also have cold beer, wine, your favorite alcoholic beverages. We have souvenir sweatshirts, the California Zephyr sweatshirts. We also have the Amtrak souvenir blanket. We also have souvenir playing cards. We also have what we call a bottomless mug. We sell these mugs for $9. That entitles you to coffee or tea throughout the entire trip and on your return trip or any other Amtrak train that you ride, other than the Northeast Corridor train. So once again, the lounge car is open and serving. Thank you.
That was JC.
Who's he?
Our, like,
Cabin boy.
cabin boy.
Where are we now?
We're inside. We're in Grand Junction. We're just leaving. We just barely took off.
This is some of the beautiful scenery that you can see if you go by train.
Woo! Oh! It's not recording. Okay, here we go. It's recording.
For example, here's some of the beautiful sights you can see if you go by train.
Ooh! Ah!
Isn't this a great way to see America?
Oh, great!
There's something about a train. What was you doing, Chris?
Eating at the lunch thing.
Dining car?
Yeah. Corner for cheese.
What'd you get, Kate?
I got the choo-choo cheese.
There's your box.
Okay, go.
Oh, this is your room. Come in. A comfy palace. All right.
Your attention, please. Once again, this is your lounge car attendant, J.C. Smith speaking. In about 10 minutes, I will be going to lunch. If you'd like to have something from the lounge car, please come down at this time. Once again, in about 10 minutes, I will be going to lunch.
I gotta get on my shoes. You won't call me when you're down. Someone. Hello. Okay, there's my
Hat head.
hat hair. Yep. Bye.
Where are you gonna go?
To go get a pop.
We're in a tunnel now.
And it's pitch dark.
Wonder how long it's gonna be.
We went through a couple of them. They were quite long. Whoa.
See the train as we turn the corner. There we go. We're at a higher elevation now in the mountains. It's about 4 o'clock, and at 5:15 we have dinner reservations.
Yep.
Let me see. Katie's gonna have cheese tortellini.
It's all mine.
And Chris can have cheese tortellini as well. And I'm gonna have barbecue chicken. Gives you an idea how steep these cliffs are. So they go straight up.
Hi.
Let's see. Do that again.
Hi.
I'm gonna turn this light up. What you doing up there? Sleeping?
Yep, I'm reading.
Okay, here we go.
Okay, we're here at the bus stop waiting for our ride into town. We're in Denver. We stayed last night at the hotel. Why don't you go show them the hotel, Chris?
Alright. It's out of focus. It's our hotel.
Chris went down to the Pink Cadillac Saloon last night. Had a few drinks. I had to go get him out of there. It was causing too big of a ruckus. Isn't that right, Chris?
Yeah.
But luckily he slept it off last night. Katie, she went over down into the lobby and redecorated the lobby. It was missing a few things.
Come on.
Okay, where are we, Kate? You can't whisper anymore.
No more. Sorry. Just jerk. Here, I'll show you.
Welcome to our spacious room. In the bathroom. Handy. Spacious. Wonderful. Nice. Beds. Comfy. Big screen TV. Spacious.
Why don't you come over here and come look at our new
View.
outlook of the city of Denver.
Wow.
It's a busy city. Then we've got a nice glass lamp. No, glass lamp and a nice recliner.
And our wonderful lab.
With also a study area, a business area, and much more.
What you got here, Kate?
Take the car and go by yourself. There's a lot of them, you know, and then we've got 4 days in Fort Lauderdale. And the rent-a-car agency is one of the real rarities. You can pick up a car and then go to Fort Lauderdale, take it to the other place with no additional charge. Usually it costs a fortune to travel. So we get this pretty low car, drive it down to Fort Lauderdale.
There's our hotel right there.
Yep.
The Marriott Hotel.
15th floor.
What you guys eating?
Cheetos.
And here's the Mall Street.
We're going to Media Place, I hope.
Where they don't allow any cars, but they have free buses that go up and down it. Where are we going now, Chris?
Media Play.
Why?
To get me a CD.
CD.
Yep.
Okay.
See, look at Kate's earrings.
Yeah, let's check them out. Hold still.
Zoom in. Quarter
What are those?
earrings. Quarters.
Where'd we get them?
The
Denver, USA Mint.
What'd we see at the Mint?
Oh, money. Lots of pennies, tons. That's what they made. Tons of pennies.
Pennies?
And nickels.
Here we go. Okay, hi everybody. Wave to Mom. Hi Mom, we're having fun. See our hotel in the back? It's right up there. Marriott Hotel. We've been shopping. These kids got shopped out. Didn't ya?
Yeah.
Alright, bye-bye.